If you want to keep your Telegram desktop app more private, one of the easiest things you can do is enable a local passcode. That way, anyone who opens Telegram on your computer will need your code before they can access your chats. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn it on and set the auto-lock time to match your needs. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Once it launches, look at the top left corner of the window and click the hamburger menu icon. That's the three-line menu that gives you access to the main Telegram settings. After the menu opens, click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of your account, privacy and security options. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. This section is important because it includes controls for who can see your information, as well as extra security features for your account and app. Once you're on the Privacy and Security page, scroll until you find the Security section. Under that section, you should see an option called Local Passcode. Click on it to start setting up app protection. Now, Telegram will ask you to enter a passcode. Type in the code you want to use, and then confirm it by entering it again. Make sure you choose something you can remember, but not something easy for other people to guess. After that, Telegram will let you choose your auto-lock time. This controls how long Telegram waits before locking itself automatically when you step away from your computer. You can pick a shorter time if you want stronger privacy, or a longer time if you prefer more convenience. Once you've entered your passcode and selected your auto-lock setting, save your changes if prompted. From this point on, Telegram Desktop will require that passcode whenever the app locks. That means your messages, groups, and private chats stay protected even if someone else uses your computer. And that's all there is to it. You've now enabled a passcode on Telegram Desktop and added an extra layer of security to your account. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.